So I have my Altura Mutual application, and now I can create a scan. And it will ask me what type of scan do I want to create. In this case, I will say SAST. If I wanted to scan a GitHub repository directly using our GitHub app, I could click here and do that. But instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate a QA person or a security engineer running an ad hoc scan based on some source code or an application that I have on my workstation. To do this, I'm going to use a utility called AppScan Go, which is a thick client GUI application that will help me and guide me through setting up a SAST and SCA scan.
So it's pretty simple. I'm just going to click Run Scan now and choose the directory of the files that I want to scan. In this case, it's a directory that contains a Java war file. I'm going to scan bytecode. I'm going to select SCA and secret scanning to enable those and click Next.
And now AppScan Go is going to recursively search through that directory for any valid scan target, including any SCA scan targets, web application SAST targets, or even mobile application SAST targets like Objective-C, Android, Java, or Swift. Remember, AppScan Go is only one client of many that can help generate this SAST and SCA scan. We have others including command line and CI/CD plugins as well.
All right, once the files have all been checked out, it'll give me an opportunity to check or uncheck things that I want to include or exclude in the scan. Here's my SAST targets. Here's my SCA targets. If I'm happy with what I see in here, I can click Next, and I will choose our Altura Mutual application that I created. I can give my scan a name.
I can also select the scan speed option, which gives the user the ability to customize the detection rules that are used in the SAST scan. I can also select personal scan, which a personal scan is just a normal scan, except the end results don't get aggregated to the other scan results in the application you select.
So I'm going to click Next, and AppScan will package up all of the target files, all the metadata files that it needs, and ship those to AppScan Cloud for analysis.